Introducing the SafetyGel Vomit and Urine Absorbing Bag, a mess-free solution for travel emergencies, camping, home use and more. With a full litre of fluid capacity, the SafetyGel Vomit and Urine Bag surpasses traditional body waste bags by rapidly absorbing and solidifying bodily fluids, preventing leaks and containing odours until disposal. The fast-acting SafetyGel formula rapidly transforms liquids into a solidified gel, making cleanup effortless and capturing the odours inside. Arriving in compact packages, vomit and urine bags are light and easy to carry on the go. Simply place the bag at the groin or face to use. Easy to seal in just 3 steps. After usage, simply locate the adhesive strip at the bag's rear. Then peel back the film cover and firmly fold the top of the bag over the strip to seal the bag, ready for disposal. The SafetyGel Vomit and Urine Bag. Wherever there is a spillage or hazardous liquid, reach for SafetyGel to contain it.